Guys, I just got that side off. Now it's just bare and soily. Centerpiece. First one I got off, the second one I got off. First one I got off, it friggin' had a screw that was stripped. On this side, something cut through the screws. And while getting the first one off, I scratched the actual living crap out of it with the screwdriver. But, well, it's pretty dang crispy. Well, it loosened up some. Oh! I don't think your to the motor still turns. I'm hoping it actually works. But everything's connected. But yeah, it has a glue on it, so it might not be in the best condition that we thought it was in. But the center cap, the first one and the second one, are pretty dang good. This don't end up blowing up. I'll probably just put LEDs on it or something. But I don't know if I was even supposed to tear it apart yet, but I did just to get started on it. So there it is. That's the wiring. And that goes to those and that. There would have been a siren speaker if this was a police one, possibly, unless they removed it, which it's not here, so. Plus it's amber, so it doesn't have one. But it'd sit right there. There's the wire hole for it. That's why this is kind of a grill piece. Yes, the siren speaker sound will go out here, and it will produce sound. But the motor gear is still hooked up to it. It's just really not that greatest condition. Doesn't turn freely like it should. This side and that side, this chrome pieces should be kind of facing the same way. So, but these will be facing this way and that one will be facing that way. So kind of rotate. But it's kind of messed up. This side's actually better than this side. This side's not even close together, and these two just meet there, which is, I think, right? I don't know. Or this could be correct in general. It's just the turning that's difficult on it. The only thing we're gonna be able to do is just vacuum it, like from there and over here, and probably the centerpiece. I'm not gonna take this apart unless someone helps me with it. And plus, I don't want any critters coming out, so we're probably gonna do it some other time or place. But I got the center caps off, the side things. I didn't want to take the side things off, but I had to. It's probably a good thing that I found out that there's crap in it, so I can get it out. Well, yeah, this is probably gonna be shiny and new by the next time I post a video. If you see this video, there's a video named Restoring Code 3 Light Bar Part 1, I believe, or Amber Light Bar Part 1. This is Code 3. Both sides. This side's in a better condition than that one. might swap sides because that side's in worse condition than this one. This one's cleaner, that one's dirtier. This side's been covered up all years, and this one's been exposed. Like, the colors aren't different whatsoever. It's just one side's been hidden, and the other side's been hitting stuff. You can see the red is still kind of intact. It only has one minor scrape, but this one's just destroyed. All the wiring is still there. The gears are all still there. So I'm going to thoroughly clean these pieces and then go from there. But I just want to make another video saying whatever it was, there was a stint. It was probably the soil, but or a couple of dead spiders. But yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys later.